Well, we made it. We made it to Arkansas. This is Falling Water Creek, one of my favorite creeks in Arkansas. You can find a lot of different waterfalls on this, and we're going to go down to one of my favorite hikes and hit it. When we get done with that, we'll start looking around for some camp and relax for the evening. All right, this trail that we're on here is an old horse trail. It's a really pretty area here. We're in Arkansas, and this trail here is going to lead us to some really wonderful waterfalls and some beautiful sights. So let's get hiking.